Do you have a high-end Honda or Acura with a lane watch and forward collision camera that fails occasionally, or has completely died due to overheating? The overheating failure normally occurs when the temperature goes above 100 Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius. The owner's manual states that you shouldn't use a silver screen reflector on the windscreen when parked in the sunshine, as the reflections can increase the heat going to the camera. Turning on the air conditioning to full should help cool down the camera. The best option when parked is to find a shaded area. I really think the camera should have been designed with better heat dissipation, similar to what they use in laptops. I have here a broken lane watch and forward collision camera from an Acura MDX. The camera housing can be opened by removing the 4 screws. I'll give you a basic overview what goes wrong with these cameras, plus some tips to improve its cooling efficiency. As you can see, there is thermal paste located between the main processor and the upper housing plate. This thermal paste helps transfer the heat from the ARM processor to the metal camera body. Unfortunately, the metal camera body also heats up from direct sunshine, reducing the possibility of keeping the main processor cool. Thermal paste loses its efficiency over time due to drying out. If your camera only fails occasionally, I would replace the thermal paste every 12 to 18 months. The best thermal paste brands are the ones used by video gamers on their video and CPU processors. Just check out the reviews on Amazon or gaming forums. Another good option is to stick a large thermal pad to the upper housing before applying the thermal paste. Back to diagnosing the broken camera. I tested all of the capacitors, diodes, transistors and resistors, and all were good. It's very likely that the main processor has shorted due to overheating. Sourcing that processor chip and then BGA soldering it makes this an unviable fix. A used camera can be found from a junkyard. The cost can vary from $120 to $380. An alternative would be to buy one from an online site like eBay. Make sure you get the correct model number when buying a used one. Also bear in mind that the camera needs to be calibrated, and that can cost you at least $300 at a dealership, or possibly cheaper at an independent workshop that specializes in Honda and Acura cars. There are videos on YouTube showing you how to calibrate the camera by yourself, but you are taking a risk going down that DIY route. Replacing the camera at a dealership will cost you at least $1,500, which includes the calibration. Due to the cost, I know the last choice isn't a viable one for many of you. Well, I hope this video helps you weigh up your options if you have a similar problem. If the video was useful, please consider leaving a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.